Hi, I'm Stephen Washington, and I have something very important to talk to you about. You and your well-being. If you've been in recovery for a while, or you're someone who's simply doing the work of healing, you might have discovered that mental clarity doesn't always equal peace. Maybe you've been showing up to meetings, going to therapy, doing your meditation, but inside, there's still anxiety, restlessness, and disconnection. That's because recovery doesn't just live in the mind, it also lives in the body. And the body remembers what the mind can't always process. And that's why I created the Recovery Flow Challenge, a 5-day private intensive designed to help you regulate your body, restore your energy, and reconnect with yourself. Over 5 consecutive days, you and I will meet one-on-one for 60 minutes each day. We'll combine mindful conversation, qigong, and somatic movement practices to release old tension and bring you back into flow. You'll receive recordings of every single session, a personalized toolkit of practices, and a 5-day integration journal to support your ongoing growth. This experience isn't about perfection. It's about presence. It's about remembering that peace and power are already within you. They just need a little space to move again. So by the end of these 5 days, you'll feel more grounded, clear, and confident in your body's wisdom. You'll have simple tools that you can return to any time that life feels heavy or uncertain. So if that speaks to where you are right now, I invite you to take this next step with me. Your healing is ready for a new chapter, one that's rooted in flow. And I can't wait to be your guide through it.